You price shop the pool to death. You won, and now your pool's finished. Your interior finish is done. The pool is filling up with water, and the color doesn't look anything like the sample you were shown. Let's discuss some of the reasons why that could be the case. My name's Thomas, and I'm a self-proclaimed pool nerd and been a sales designer here at Shasta Pools for 5 years. What is an interior finish? The interior finish is the final step in pool construction right before we start to fill it. So why does the color look different than the sample that you had initially chosen from? In the initial 28 days following the fill of your pool, your interior finish is going through a process called rehydration. So think of the shirt that you're wearing. If you were to get that wet, it's going to generally turn to a darker color. The same thing is happening with your interior finish. At the start of the rehydration process, your pool is going to be generally a lighter color, and through that 28 days, it will shift to a darker color closer to that sample. Rehydration can show up by means of that color shift, but as well as splotchiness where part of the interior finish is more hydrated than another. It may also appear a different color due to the surrounding environment. So when you picked out your sample, whether that's in a showroom, hopefully you've gotten a chance to take that outside. Make sure that the sample is wet. And look at it both in full sun and shade. You got to remember that during the sunniest parts of the days and the years, that pool finish is going to look much more vibrant than, say, on a gloomy, cloudy day. Your neighbor or you might have a tree that shades a lot of the pool. Well, that part of the pool is going to obviously look a little bit different. You're not getting that same reflection from the blue sky. The 28 days are really crucial when it comes to your water chemistry. That's when you're really setting up that pebble finish or plaster finish for its lifespan. It hasn't fully cured yet. And if your chemistry is all over the place, maybe it's corrosive and etching, it's actually kind of trying to steal some of the material out of that interior finish, you're gonna live with that for the rest of the time that you own the pool. You could also have your chemistry off and it be scaling. Now, scaling is a little bit easier to overcome in the long term, but it can affect the lifespan of your interior finish. And that's why that first 28 days is so important to do what you're instructed, the things that we don't want to do, the brushing and ensuring the proper water chemistry. At the end of 28 days, you're still not happy. You know you did your brushing right. You kept your water chemistry exactly right. You really have 3 places to point. That's going to be the interior finish applicator, the startup tech, or the builder. Now, unfortunately, if all of those are separate people or separate companies, they all have each other to point at as well. Now, at Shasta, we've taken the guesswork out of it for you. We do the application. We are the builder, we are the applicator. We do the startup for you, and we take care of the pool water for the first 90 days so that you really only have one party responsible.